So Windows 11 has some pretty high requirements to install, and even if your PC has most of them, even one of the requirements missing won't let you install it. So here's how to bypass most of those requirements. So here I am in VMware. Let me create a new virtual machine. You can just get this file from the Windows 11 media creation page. I'll link that in the description. Set it to Microsoft Windows, Windows 10 and later 64. This is just for a virtual machine, so I can show you guys how to do it. You can of course use this on a regular laptop. Then do this, Windows 11. Store this in a different place. There we go. You can set this to 70, even though very little of it will be used, just in case. Then you can put how much of a RAM you want, as the RAM check will be bypassed. So maybe like, I'm gonna put it under 4 when 4 is the requirement, just to show you guys that it works. Put it like there and finish. Alright, here we have it, Windows 11. Let me power it on and show you that it doesn't work. Here we go. Next, install now. It's like 30 FPS. I don't have a product key. Any version will work. I'm just using Pro. And you can see this PC can't run Windows 11. Now, once you're at this page, press Shift and F10. Now type in regedit, regedit. Now expand HKey local machine, expand system, right click setup, click new and click key. Now click on this, right click new and click DWORD 32-bit value. Now name it BypassTPMCheck. Make sure to get the capitalization right. There we go. Now double click on each one and type 1 in the value data and click OK. There we go. Once all of this is done, close this, click X here, click yes, and now click install now again. And I don't have a product key. Any version should work. And look at that. Now you can get to this page. You can just accept the agreement, install Windows only, do it on the main drive, or make partitions if you want. And yeah, Windows will just regularly install. Also, this won't do anything to the Windows 11 installation later. This won't affect it at all. This will just bypass the checks. So yeah, that's how to get past the checks that Windows does, and that's how to install Windows 11 on a PC that can't install Windows 11. So yeah, that's about it. See ya.